are at the 10th edition of IEIA Open Seminar at the BIEC Bangalore. We have with us Renuka Uchal. First of all, welcome to this interview. Could you please tell us about yourself?
Sure. Well, I represent a company called Premier Marketing. I'm the proprietor of that company. This company has been into existence for the last 30 years. We are majorly into on-site management of shows, and we are also into temporary placement of manpowers for the shows. We are here for almost 30 years, as I told you, and we are here to stay long.
So, where have you seen the industry coming after these 2 years of pandemic, and it has been majorly hit the exhibition industry? What exactly do you see the future of this industry, and what are the challenges do you think you'll have to kind of to restart it that you people have to face?
See, if you understand, exhibition is all about people. The first people to get affected, or the first industry to get affected, was us. That is events, exhibitions, and the last to start was also us. We have barely started after almost 2 years, 18 months to 2 years of struggle. We have just started. And what I look at it, where we left and now where we are going to start, is almost we're going back more than 5 to 10 years. It is going to take us this year and the years, at least a year or two, is again just, if all goes well, without any kind of COVID, without any kind of viruses, another 2 years is a decent time for survival. That's how I look at it. It is going to take us time. It's going to take all the industry's time to come back. People to come back. People are hit. When you say no production, no work, nothing, means you're saying no income for 2 years. Please understand every year what kind of turnovers everybody does. 2 years, no turnover, zero turnover, and only expenditure or salaries to people. That's too much for us to come back. Now also, if you see, shows have started. People have had guts to come back. I mean, I will say salute to all those organizers who are actually making an effort to come back. Because behind one show, there are n number of, I would say, service providers who are actually surviving. With these people starting, they are actually giving life to so many people. Now, obviously, for obvious reasons, it's going to take time for people also to understand that visitors आएंगे, exhibition हो रहा है, कैसे होगा? Will they follow all the protocol rules? Will the government once again come and stop it? Will a running show be stopped? We are investing so much of money after 2 years of pandemic. Is it worth investing? Should we wait? Should we wait and watch? There are so many questions which an exhibitor has. An organizer is fighting to survive. We are all fighting to survive. So I will say 2 years at least for us to come back to where we were. Easily, 2 years is again a year. 2 years we're going to fight. God willing, unless there is some other mutant, some other virus not coming into picture.
We are sure, this warm-up is going to become the real activity in the near future. So wishing you all the best, and you're looking so pretty. Let me congratulate you, and congratulations on the, thing that you got, the felicitation. So thank you so much, and lovely talking to you.
Thank you so much. And I have to say, the platform today IEIA has given us has actually recognized us, boosted our, they have really boosted our morals, got us back. Okay, hey, Renuka, you still need to be a warrior. You still need to fight. So it's not ending here. Thank you so much. And I'm just praying that everything goes well. And I hope everything goes well for everybody. Thank you so much, Sadaf. Thank you.
Thank you very much for talking to us.